Hello students, today we will learn how to write the formula of a compound. Formula tells us two things about a compound. Name of elements, second number of atoms. नेम ऑफ एलिमेंट्स मीन्स कि कंपाउंड कौन से एलिमेंट से बना होता है. वाटर इज मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. सो टू मेक इट्स फॉर्मूला वी विल राइट द सिंबल्स फर्स्ट, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. देन now one molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. We can skip one here. So you can simply write the formula H2O. Similarly, we can write the formula of common salt. Common salt. Here, first we will write the name of elements like common salt के लिए NaCl. After that, we will write the number of atoms. Number of atoms present in this. Sodium contains 1 and chlorine contains 1. Both sodium and chlorine have 1 atom each. So the formula is simply sodium chloride. Some atoms form molecules as they cannot exist independently. For example, O2 and H2. मीन्स ऑक्सीजन जो है O की फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. देयरफॉर इट फॉर्म्स द मॉलिक्यूल विद इट्स ओन एटम्स. हेयर ऑक्सीजन कंटेन्स 2 atoms. In some compounds 2 or more elements act together. Table 3.2 is having some common elements and their symbols, and I have already given this homework. You have to learn it. Now, in some common compounds, 2 or more elements act together as a single group. I am taking the example of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Here, SO4 is made up of sulfur and oxygen. इसमें दो तरह के एलिमेंट्स हैं. SO4 is representing here the sulfate group. In second example, NaNO3, sodium nitrate. Here NO3 that represents the nitrate group. Table 3.4 contains some common groups and their formula. You have to learn it. Let's see atomicity. The atoms of some elements, they can exist independently, such as helium or neon. They are known as monoatomic. Monoatomic means which contains only one atom. Helium and neon, they contain only one atom, so they are known as monoatomic. ये नेचर में फ्रीली एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, इसलिए भी इनको मोनोएटॉमिक कहा जाता है. However, atoms of many elements cannot exist independently in nature. They form the molecules like H2, O2, N2. All these have 2 atoms each. So they are known as diatomic. हम इनको क्या कहते हैं? Diatomic. In table 3.6, atomicity of some common elements is given. For helium, it is 1, but for hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, it is given as 2. So they are known as diatomic. In sulfur, sulfur is containing 8 atoms. So atomicity of sulfur is 8. Now what is the definition of atomicity? इसकी definition है the number of atoms present in a molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. Clear? Now next is, what information does the formula give? Here first point, water is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Like मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि वाटर में हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन नेम के टू एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ए मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर कंटेन्स टू एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड वन एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. टू एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है इसमें, ऑक्सीजन का वन एटम है. थर्ड पॉइंट, H2O represents the one molecule of water. The formula represents the molecule of the compound. If you have to mention or represent one molecule of water, you can simply write water का molecule 1. If you have to write two molecules, then we will put 2. If you have to represent 5, then we can 5. 3, we can put 3. So in this way you can represent the molecule. So this is all about the information does the formula give. It's very important. So that's all for today. We will continue in next video.